Oh, okay. Yeah, you want some more?
No, they just.
Wayne County Probate Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Terrence A. Keefe presiding.
Thank you, Ms. Key. Let's call the first case.
Calling the matter of Demario M. Blackwell Esters, along with Mark Anthony Clark.
Excuse me. Parties on Blackwell Esther and Clark. Okay. No one is responding to the call of the case of either Blackwell Esther or Clark. The matters are dismissed for failure to appear. Okay.
Calling the matter of William Saucedo.
Parties on Saucedo. We have Gary Leesby.
Gary Leesby is here. And William Saucedo.
Do we have the parties on Saucedo? Gary Beasley? Right. Recall, I see you on screen, but you're not responding. Next case.
Calling the matter of Saida Aline Gardezi.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm here. This is Said Gadezi, her dad.
Thank you. And do we have anyone else?
This is Aline Gadezi's mother, Saida.
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning. And do we have anyone else appearing on this matter, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Laura Wallish, appearing on behalf of the petitioner who is sitting next to me.
Great. Thank you. Will each of you please raise your right hands and be sworn?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth when called upon to testify?
I swear.
yes.
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 Thank you. Thank you. Excuse me, Ms. Welsh, this is a petition to terminate the conservatorship?
That's correct, Your Honor. The conservatorship was established after the petitioner was in a car accident. It was established in 2011. It's my understanding that approximately $10,000 is in a restricted account at Bank of America. Bank of America is requiring a court order terminating the conservatorship and releasing the funds in the restricted account to the petitioner. She did turn 18 on September 22nd of 2022. And so I think this is, I'm sorry. So this is just kind of a formality so that we can get those funds released to her. She's currently in college and I think could probably use the money to help pay for some tuition and some expenses.
Okay. What great university are you attending?
Schoolcraft College.
Oh. Why did you decide to go to Schoolcraft?
I just wanted to do my first 2 years at a community college so I can get my credits easily.
Smart move. Smart move. I wish I had done that. It would have eased the transition to college. I wish you well. The petition is granted for the reasons stated.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I will submit an order under the 7-day rule. Hopefully that's acceptable to Bank of America, so they'll release the funds to her. And when they're released, we'll supply the court with a receipt that she's received the funds.
Why do you propose to submit it under 7-day rule? This is not a contested matter, is it?
Oh, no, it's not. I can just submit it to the court then, Your Honor.
Yes, send it directly to my courtroom, okay?
Fantastic. You'll have it later on today.
Actually, I want to add, this is the Flagstar Bank. The account is in the Flagstar Bank.
I'm sorry, say that again, please.
The account is Flagstar Bank, not Bank of America.
Yes, but Ali's account is in Bank of America, but yes, the funds are at Flagstar Bank.
Okay. Ms. Welsh, I would suggest that you would prepare 2 orders for the respective banks.
Understood.
Because the banks get a little irritated or uncomfortable when they have just a blanket order. So if you could identify the particular bank or if you have the bank account numbers, to include that in the respective orders, okay?
If one of the parties could supply me with at least the last 4 of the bank account number, that would be fantastic. I think that would be helpful in getting the petitioner able to access her funds quicker.
Yes, thank you. We'll look forward to the order.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Welcome. Take care. You're all set. You can disconnect.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, next. Yep.
Calling the matter of Isabella Avery Lynn Arquette.
Here,
Thank you. Anyone else appearing on this matter, please?
No, just me.
Thank you. Your name, please?
Eva Marie Sweet Phelps.
Thank you, Ms. Phelps. If you would please raise your right hand and be sworn.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth when called upon to testify?
I do.
Thank you, Ms. Phelps. Excuse me, this is a petition to modify the guardianship.
Yes, sir.
And I understand the reason you're looking to modify is because, excuse me, Wayne Phelps has passed. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And you're currently living in Sterling Heights?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. The two things. One, I need to see a death certificate for him.
It's on file in the electronic file. They posted it in December. I sent it in July.
Okay, hold on. Oh, yes, I'm sorry. I stand corrected. Yes, we do have it. I apologize. So the court will enter the order reinstating, granting the petition and reinstating the file. But the court is also going to do is on its own motion enter an order changing the venue to Macomb County because you're in Sterling Heights. All right.
Yes.
So we're going to transfer the file to Macomb County. You should be getting some information from Macomb County saying that they received it. And so all of your future proceedings would be in Macomb County Probate Court.
Okay.
All right.
What about the motion to be the guardianship for me?
Yes, I may have missed it. I did say that I was going to grant the petition to reinstate. I have your annual your report, which was the reason this matter was administratively closed. The only other thing, and we do have your signed AOA, so we'll be able to, number one, enter the order granting the reinstatement. Number two, reinstating you as the granting the petition to modify, showing that you're the successor guardian. Number three, excuse me, we'll be able to get your letters of authority emailed to you. And number four, we'll be entering an order transferring the case file to Macomb County Probate Court.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You are welcome. That will conclude your hearing. You can disconnect.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm sorry. No, not yet. Yes.
Calling the matter of Liam Timothy Gremban, along with Oliver Thomas Gremban.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Your name, please.
Kaylin Wilson on behalf of respondent father Adam Gremban, who is present via Zoom.
Thank you. Yeah. Who else do we have?
I am also here. I am Adam Gremban. I am also here. I am Adam Gremban.
Right, thank you. And hold on. Thank you, Mr. Gross. Are you on this one as well? I do believe. Any other parties appearing on Gremban? Okay. Do we have Attorney Coleman? Okay. Do we have Attorney Judy Coleman, please? All right. Well, Ms. Wilson, the court objection, and if Ms. Coleman was present, I was going to ask, what is her response to your objection? But the court is satisfied from the review of your objection that you had well stated your position. The court concurs with your objections and will grant your objection and deny the petition for guardianship. Both minors to be turned over to the father forthwith.
Thank you, Your Honor. If I may add, just so the record's clear, this case started off a little wonky in that both children's petitions for guardianship were assigned to two different judges with two different hearing dates. We did consolidate the cases so that Your Honor had both children in both cases. Originally, one hearing was supposed to be in May, one was supposed to be today. Ms. Coleman and I did speak, and we said that the hearings were going to be held on the 20th. It seems that the court unilaterally moved both of them to today. I did reach out to Ms. Coleman and let her know that upon review of the Register of Actions, it looks like both hearings were going to be held today. I did not receive a response from her, but I just want it clear on the record that there may have been some scheduling confusion.
Are you requesting the court put this over to the 20th?
I am not, Your Honor. I am pleased with the decision of the court, but I will leave that up to you given the facts.
Well, I'm looking at it this way, Ms. Wilson, right? That your path and Ms. Coleman's path may very likely cross as you continue to practice. And everyone has, when you're practicing, things happen, and you never know when somebody's going to need a favor.
That is true, Your Honor.
Okay, and I would prefer in your young practice, your the short time, the years you've been practicing, not to have you place a sour taste in anyone's mind about how you approach, how trustworthy counsel is in relationships and conversations. So what I would look to do is give you the opportunity to talk to Ms. Coleman, advise her what happened, but give her the opportunity to state her position on the record on behalf of her client on the 20th. Okay.
Understood, Your Honor. That's why I wanted to bring it to the court's attention.
Okay. So I don't know what time it was set for the 20th, but let's just look at seeing it on the 20th at 9:15.
Understood, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Wilson. Thank you, Mr. Gremban. You're all set for today. We'll see you on the 20th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Yep. Set. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, Henry.
Calling the matter of Lolita Brianna James, along with LeBron Antonio James Jr.
Okay, guys, to just recap real quick, so it looks like Dad won his counter to the maternal aunt's petition for guardianship of the two kids. It looks like the judge granted him the denial of that. However, his attorney there at the end introduced some scheduling, what seems like some couple of hearing scheduling issues, of which I'm not quite clear if this decision is now being pushed back to the 20th or not. Not sure why the attorney just wouldn't circle back after the orders in to clarify any hearing scheduling issues. Because I'm not sure if the order went through here of the denial. Hopefully it did. They were going back and forth there a little bit. Just wanted to make a quick note on that. We need to be careful sometimes where victory is just clearly ahead, and sometimes we want to provide even more context or a little more information or a little more clarity, etc. And things can turn on a dime. So hopefully Dad was able to still get that order in. Either which way, if not on the 20th, hopefully it's not complicated. But it looks like congrats to Dad. He was able to win on his rebuttal to the aunt's petition. All right, guys. So hopefully, little bit of learning there on guardianship and what you can do, and you can fight that. And it seems that Dad and his attorney submitted a pretty well written response to the petition. So congrats to them. And we'll see if there's another hearing at the 20. We'll bring you guys that. All right, take care.